good. Yeah. Oh,
Hug the
good.
baby.
Yeah, very good. Uh-huh. You're doing good. Baby likes to be rocked. Oh.
She's like, I like your fine jewelry.
She pushed my hand up. She pushed my hand
Oh,
up.
did she?
She wanted to do it on her own. I was doing this, and then she was like, no. She's like, I can do it.
What are you doing, sweet thing?
You gonna read that book?
Oh, the Gruffalo.
No. Mm-hmm.
You gonna read the book to Rowan?
I wonder when I need to start reading books to her. I guess now I could. This couch is dusty. Yes,
Yeah.
my couch is dusty. I think the table's dusty too.
Cadence is showing me how to clean while wearing a baby.
And then
Oh.
the baby.
You readjusting her? Oh,
Play music
yeah.
for the baby. Mhm. Oh, thank you. Okay, hold this for you.
You dance with the baby?
Yes. Can the baby hear the music? Uh-oh. That's a good one to dance to, huh? Oh, oh no! Baby fell. The baby's on the ground now. She's like, which one is more important? The baby on the floor or the lights and the music? You gonna dust the baby?